Fidium Fiber Internet Review. Watch before using. Fidium Fiber is a 100% fiber optic internet provider offering symmetrical speeds up to 2 gigabit per second, no contracts, and no data caps. Designed for households and small businesses that demand high-speed, reliable internet, Fidium competes with major ISPs by providing lower latency, consistent speeds, and better pricing transparency. Installation is professional, and equipment includes a Wi-Fi 6 router with mesh capabilities for whole home coverage. The service is ideal for gamers, remote workers, streamers, and large households with multiple connected devices. Performance-wise, Fidium delivers excellent speeds even during peak hours, with fiber ensuring low ping times, making it a strong choice for online gaming and video conferencing. Unlike cable internet, which slows down due to network congestion, fiber maintains consistency. Upload speeds are just as fast as downloads, a major advantage for content creators and anyone who frequently uploads large files. Customer service is a mix. Some users report smooth experiences, while others face delays in issue resolution. The biggest downside is limited availability, as Fidium is primarily in select regions, meaning not everyone can access it yet. Pricing is competitive, with plans starting around $35 for 50 Mbps and scaling up to $85 for 2 Gbps. Equipment and installation are often included, eliminating hidden fees. Unlike traditional ISPs, Fidium does not require long-term contracts, allowing flexibility for users. The mobile app enables easy network management, including parental controls and device prioritization. However, some users have reported occasional billing issues and inconsistent customer support experiences. Overall, Fidium Fiber is a solid choice if you live in an area where it's available. The speeds, reliability, and no-contract model make it a great alternative to traditional cable internet. However, if you prioritize 24/7 top-tier customer support, or if you live outside their service areas, you may need to look elsewhere. If reliability and speed without unnecessary fees are your top priorities, Fidium is worth considering.